If you love cooking, you will agree with us that a rice cooker is one of the essential gadgets in the kitchen. An electric rice cooker is a kitchen appliance where you can boil or cook, and it's automated. A rice cooker with a stainless steel pot provides fast and easy cleanup, and this is wonderful for everyone. It contains a bowl, a measurement cup, a steamer, a heat source, and a thermostat. This appliance can be used to prepare several other types of foods. There are a lot of reasons why you should choose rice cookers with stainless steel inner pot. First of all, this is the only non-reactive metal used in cookware. Such a material preserves flavor and nutritional value and does not absorb unusual odors of flavors. However, stainless steel does not react with the food that is cooked and in contact with its surface, even if the food is acidic. Therefore, stainless steel is the safest and cleanest cooking surface available. In this video, we tried to review the top 5 best electric rice cooker with stainless steel inner pot, which will help you to choose the right one. We made this list based on our personal opinion and we ranked them after our hard-working research based on their price, customer opinion, safety, durability, reputation, and our standard reviewing process. Let's check them all. Comfy rice cooker, slow cooker, steamer, stew pot, sauté all-in-one. 10-cup ultra capacity with a 24-hour delay timer. Digital panel and LED display makes it easy to read and use. Automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours, making hot rice always available. Non-stick for easy clean and made of BPA-free food-grade material. Aroma Housewares digital rice cooker, slow cooker, food steamer, SS exterior. Perfectly prepares 4 to 20 cups of any variety of cooked rice. Easy to use, programmable digital controls with automatic keep warm functions. Great for roasts, soups, jambalaya, and so much more. 15-hour delay timer for flexible meal planning. Insigno 1.2 liters mini rice cooker for cooking soup, rice, stews, grains and oatmeal. Perfect rice every time, automatically cooks rice then shifts to keep warm. Cooking pot and steam pan are dishwasher safe and lid liner removes for easy cleaning. Includes dishwasher safe rice measuring cup and rice paddle. Compact design with easy to hold carrying handle. Comfy 5.2 quarts multifunction programmable rice cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté. LED smart digital panel display makes it easy to read and use. 10-cup ultra capacity serve your family with a hearty meal. Automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours, making hot rice always available. Removable steam valves and the design of the inner pot are engineered to preserve steam and heat during the simmer process for perfect fluffy rice every time. Zojiroshian SLGC 05XB Micom rice cooker and warmer. Advanced fuzzy logic technology prepares perfect rice every time. Clear-coated stainless steel exterior fits any kitchen decor and makes cleanup a snap. Triple heaters generate heat all around for even heating. Delay timer, 2 settings, provides freshly cooked rice or oatmeal at the programmed time. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.